Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional email signature in Gmail in just a few minutes. Having a signature not only makes your emails look polished, but also shares your contact info effortlessly. Whether it's for work, networking, or personal use, a good signature leaves a strong impression. So let's dive in and get your Gmail emails looking professional. Access Gmail settings. First, log into your Gmail account. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Quick Settings. Then select See All Settings to access the full Gmail configuration page. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're in the full settings view. Create your signature. Once you're in settings, stay on the General tab and scroll down to find the signature section. Click Create New to start a fresh signature. Give your signature a name. This is especially handy if you plan to create multiple versions for different purposes, like professional or personal emails. Customize your signature now for the fun part. Customizing your signature. Use the rich text editor to enter your name, job title, company, and contact information. You can adjust the font, size, and color to match your style. Want to make it interactive? Add hyperlinks to your website, LinkedIn profile, or portfolio. For a more visual appeal, insert an image, either upload from your computer, add via URL, or pull it straight from Google Drive. Make it look clean, professional, and easy to read. Save and test your signature. Almost done. Scroll to the bottom and click. Save changes. This step is crucial because if you forget, your signature won't be saved. To make sure everything looks perfect, compose a new email and select your signature from the insert menu. Check that all your links, formatting, and images appear exactly how you want. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've created a professional Gmail email signature that makes your email stand out. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick and easy Gmail tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.